We're not in Quebec yet, bro. Hey y'all. Now I'm at my godmom's house. You know, that's where I am right now. I didn't know y'all could hear me. Y'all probably can hear them more than y'all can hear me. But I'm getting ready. I'm gonna get ready for the day. Right now it's 10:03. I ate breakfast and brushed my teeth and all of that jazz. My hair is so itchy, y'all. I don't want to scratch my hair too bad where I'm like pulling the wig back, because that's just like crazy. But I'm finna flatten my hair. I'm finna, like I said, get ready for the day. Hey y'all, today's vlog is like just Canada vlog. It's cold though. We went zip lining, that was pretty cool. Right now we're in Chinatown. I just ate Burger King. I don't really know what this vlog gonna consist of, but I just know it's gonna be a vlog. Have fun, enjoy. My birthday tomorrow.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting.
Take a sip. Go take a
Jack
sip.
Frost nipping at your nose.
We've no place to go.
Green light. Red light. Oh, look at the cats. Y'all, I lost my AirPods. Oh my god. AirPods are found. I just like literally, this is what I did, bro. I went through my phone and I remembered AirPods. I guess I'll see y'all when I see y'all, because we're now home. And home, every time I go on vacation I call wherever I'm staying at home, because it's quite literally home for the time being. So hey y'all, so it's my birthday, period. 11/19, mark the date. Mark your calendars. But yeah, it's my birthday. What did I do today? You know, we went on a walk around town and then got some churros and went to Dollarama. Came home, did nothing at home. So like in Canada, Sunday is considered like the rest day, so everything closes early and stuff. But you know, I'm having a dinner at home, cooking up a dinner, stuffed chicken and all that good jazz. Outside is decorated. I'll show y'all soon. Hold on. My birthday's been good. Yes. Nothing crazy or nothing like that. So I don't really have nothing to say. I feel like I need to like fluff these lashes out a little more.
No, we don't even. Oh, talent. Oh, it's on me.
She getting the CrossFit?
Stop brushing, Jit.
Ready?
Give me some Dila.
She's not even ready yet.
No, I'm not. Hold on. I'm not ready, Jit.
You turn off all the lights?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Baby, it's your birthday. Turn off the lights.
Wait.
She said, wait.
Think you guys want?
Can y'all bring the cake closer to me?
Oh yeah, that's true. You're not thinking.
Okay.
Jit, I wasn't ready. Jit been ready, mama. Bring the cake closer.
That's a grown woman right here.
Happy birthday to you. Don't like this thing. Cheese.
Hold on. Gotta get my setup right.
Pictures first.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Get this shit out of here.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya.
Dry.
Happy birthday.
Jordani, sing.
Sarah, it's your birthday.
Get out of my
I'm tired of this song.
Come on, Sarah, blow it out.
I can blow it out? Y'all didn't sing happy birthday. Happy birthday. No, Angel singing the song I want her to sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday.
Wait, turn it on.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sarah. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10? Are you 11? Are you 12? Are you 13? Are you 14? Are you 15? Are you 16? Are you 17? Are you 18? Are you... Happy birthday, Sarah!
Bruh. Why you just like that? What's wrong with him?
Turn on the light.
Turn on the light. I'm looking forward to.
Cheese, sissy.
Aww. Man, why you got a focus on
You want to turn the light off?
No.
No, you can turn the light off. She's about to cut the cake. Hold on.
No.
Is that a bowl?
Oh, yeah, it is.
You recording? Okay.
It's vanilla.
Calm down.
Third place. Baby, it's your birthday.
Yeah, can you put a different one? Can you put that song?
I'm gonna put all I want from my.
Time to turn up.
It's time to get lit.
Okay, you ready?
Alright, turn the cake. The cake is. Y'all, we gotta gear up to go outside. We finna go take recycle out. Oh, it's cold as hell. I'm not gonna lie, it's hella cold, my boy. Ooh, the way it's so cold right now, like I'm already turned up.
We're back home.
We're home.
Yeah.
Can you see me, Zizi? Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, can't you see? Look what baby wants to me. She took away my MTV.
Now I'm watching Barney.
The Barney.
Tic-tac. It's tic-tac-toe 3 in a row.
Oh, there's a bed.
Where's Barney's body?
What? There's a new one?
Stuck
That's
in the
old.
party. Tic-tac-toe 3 in a row. Something. I'll show your buddy.
Let's do it.
That's not the game. You're saying style or something like that. Let's go.
Can I show you mine?
Let me go first.
What?
Can you see? Okay.
Why are your cheeks like that?
Mama.
Somebody just standing there recording.
It's a back and cheese.
Mama, can't you see? Yo, you blocked it.
No.
I got it.
With the pants. Oh, she's recording them.
Mama, can't you see? What the baby did to me? He took away my MTV. Now
watching the Barbie. Where's Barbie's head? Under the bed. Where's Barney Body? We know. Stuck in a party. Y'all still but we're not done. Tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. Mama got shot by G.I. Joe. Oh, Mama got shot by G.I. Joe.
Oh, she said.
Yeah, I think so. It's something like that. Yeah. It's not like 1, 2, 3. Don't show your body with teeth.
It's shot in the head.
Yeah, but.
Mom.
Okay, let's play Pikachu.
Dog, you spy. Oh, Pikachu, Pikachu.
Okay, let's play
She goes. Yeah.
Hey y'all, what's good y'all? There's grit behind grit. They're just grit. Anyways, we at the bus stop waiting for the bus. And we finna go downtown. I'm out of town. Don't you come around.
I know.
Mama, you have any comments to make to the camera? Are you cold? I'm hot in this cubby. It's normal. Yeah, I'm a little sweaty in the back. I wear too many layers. Ah!
Like this.
In the cut with my twin, be happy. Every time I wear this purse, like I already know it's heavy, and I wear it every time. Yeah. Fit check. Post the pictures on Instagram. Go like right now. Hey y'all, we are on the train. It's so cool out here. It's really hard to like record because it's like people live. Like it's like people day to day. I'm just touring, so I don't know. I don't feel right to record sometimes. So sometimes I don't record, but I try to do what I do. Like I said, I'm on the train, and it's pretty cool. Right now we're taking pictures, trying to get like some train aesthetic pictures. So I'm not trying to be one of those people who like just bombard people with pictures. So yeah, like I said, y'all, we are downtown Montreal. Right now we're waiting because we got a ticket. We gotta pay it off. So, well, I ain't get a ticket and I don't gotta pay it off, but you know they got a ticket. They gotta pay it off. So we're just waiting. And yeah, that's the turn. It's hot in here, but it's cold out there. It's 30 degrees. And you know, I stay in Florida and it's always like 86. The lowest we get is like 50. So bless my heart. Oh, there y'all. Bye.
Bro, we came from British to ride.
What?
We came from British.
Hot birthday. Hey y'all, we're at the mall. We just got done eating actually, and now we're gonna walk around in the mall. My tripod is really wobbly, but I don't have anything to screw it on right now. So record this.
Oh, yeah.
Just record me.
Donde nos dejó dijo que había unos baños, pero no sé exactamente qué parte. Pero sí me acuerdo que dijo.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Oh yeah. Get your get back. Get your get back.
Huh?
Walk with love.
Where y'all going? To the bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Nah, you don't run no trip. No run no trip. You should throw it.
No, I need his face. I'm gonna put it right down here.
But why you need your get back for? What did he do? That's because he hit Kimberly?
He threw it in my face and then all of my eyelash.
Oh.
I'm gonna get my get back from yesterday. That's what you get. And don't try me, because that's my get back.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Gosh, hey y'all. I don't really talk on the camera, but you know, it's been a ride. You know, I'm still like answering pictures and stuff. But we had went to Costco. My mom had like ran into a Karen. This whole situation with the Karen. Where did we go after the fall? We went to Old Quebec. I think I recorded that. I definitely did. Quebec City is like 2 hours from Montreal, and that's where we stay at. Anyway, that's where we stay at. And right now we ate McDonald's earlier, but it's 7 right now, and we've been eating some Chinese. My lace is lifting. It been lifting though, like. And then I got this from not washing my bonnet and keeping it on my forehead all day. Hey y'all, so we just we're not eating Chinese no more because they only take cash. They only take cash, and we only got American dollars and not Canadian dollars. Like, I don't know what happened to the inner corner of my lashes, y'all, but they're gone. But we got PFK, aka KFC, and we also got pizza. Yeah, I guess we'll taste try it. We tried their McDonald's. McDonald's is the same basically, but they got snack wraps. Yeah. Wings. No, I didn't. Alright, y'all, so the pizza is dry. I'm gonna try the second pizza. The second pizza is pepperoni and
I don't use my money. I got no money. I got no money. Losing money. Mommy,
all the sauce tastes like that.
You working? You? I don't know. That chicken
Canada plate
kind of dry.
Why American got the American style? Anyway, I'm gonna try my chicken from KFC. Those wearing no gloves, y'all.
No gloves.
We just threw it in the fryer.
You know that y'all have nice price seating on the counter?
Yeah, no.
I know it ain't the stallion. You know it's your girl. Hey y'all, I hate the lighting. Let me like, and why am I zoomed in? Like, first of all, my wig lifting. Second of all, I look crazy. Today is Thursday. It's Thanksgiving today. Ooh, and I got my Christmas PJs. Type. Anyways, I had a great Thanksgiving dinner. I mean, I had a better in the past because, you know, it's not Thanksgiving here in Canada, so they didn't have all, like, you know, the Thanksgiving stuff out. So yeah, I had a great Thanksgiving dinner though. To be honest, I don't know how I feel about this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. So Haley Rose posted this on her story. I'm gonna read it to y'all. It says, first the question is, you're all can't speak. You go on a lot of trips. Will you ever do vlogs? I've tried. This is her response. I've tried. I really have, but it's so hard being in the moment and trying to keep up with content. It's like, how do you even have genuine fun if you're always stopping to film? In this whole trip, I felt that like really heavily, only because it was cold, and to take my hands out of my gloves to open the camera, to, you know, do the whole 9 yards is a lot. It was really like, I'm not gonna say it was hard to record, but it was just like she said, in the moment. So it's like I wasn't like thinking of content. I was thinking of having fun. But the things I did record, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed my Canada vlog. To be honest, I don't know if this is gonna be like in a regular video or a vlogmas video. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in the vlogmas incorporated video. The last time I posted was 3 weeks ago, and it's November 23rd. I'm just thinking like, why not save all these videos for vlogmas so that I can keep up? It just makes sense in my head, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just post these as vlogmas content. But I'm gonna end my vlog. I leave on Saturday. It's Thursday. Tomorrow is my little cousin's birthday, but I plan on ending the vlog here today because it's not, you know, not really recording much anymore. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Y'all, hold on, look at my lashes, bro. Like, where the heck are my inner corners? I can't wait to take my hair off, my hair off, my lashes off. Like, I can only be this girl for like 3 days max. Like, after 3 days, I can't keep up with it no more. I can't do it no more. I don't want to do it no more. I don't know. I just miss rubbing my eyeballs. I miss not having to itch my head. My head is so itchy. I don't got no rat tail comb. But I just feel like I'm doing a whole bunch of rambling. Like, a whole bunch of rambling. But we're gonna go play charades right now. My stomach is full. But Thanksgiving wasn't as how it used to be, because we're not home, so it's a little weird. I did not record this day. But anyways, I saw snow yesterday. That was cool for the first time. Well, I saw snow for the first time Tuesday, and then yesterday, like, it snowed. I mean, it snowed on Tuesday night, and it's in the morning, it, you know, I could have snow. But I would never live in the cold. I just can't do it. Like, I miss Florida. I miss the heat. I miss the you know, having stuff to do all the time, even when I have nothing to do. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I did not do anything this whole trip. Probably tonight I'm gonna start editing. I'm gonna like organize my videos, and I'm gonna start editing on the plane, because, you know, ain't nothing to do on the plane. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. I love you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.